I got a confession to make. I want to say I don't drink, I don't smoke, and I am faithful to my wife. Some people say I don't have any vices at all, but I do have one real bad vice. And here it is. Sometime in the future, I plan on restoring my vice. My wife wanted me to make some turned handles for this pizza server and cheese slicer. Opening the box, I was surprised there were no instructions or tools. We will make do. When finding centers for wood turning, I mark from all four corners, leaving 4 lines, making it much easier to find the exact center. This kit did not come with any method to install the threaded insert, so I added a dab of super glue and just screwed in the entire handle to the tool, removing it quickly, leaving the threaded insert behind. I am not much of a wood turner, so please do not be overly critical of my techniques. I am learning though. In general, wood turning is kind of a scary operation because the wood moves and the blade stays still. Of all the tools that are used in wood turning, the skew scares me the most, partially because I don't think I know how to use it properly. So I rarely use it very much at all. Yeah, that's enough of that. Let's go to another tool. Now I'm moving on to a negative rake scraper to ensure that there's no bumps and get valleys. Here I'm back to my skew, but trust me, that didn't last for long. I lost the remaining footage from this first handle because I ran out of memory on my memory card. So you get to see a close-up of the second handle doing pretty much the same thing. The only time sanding is fun is on the lathe. I went from 120 grit to all the way to 600 grit. After I finished sanding, I added a wax finish. It doesn't show here, but I slowed down the lathe significantly. Now you can see me parting off this from the base. The details of this is incredible. I went through all the same grits and on the end piece here and also waxed it. Finally, just remember, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10, good job.